on, everybody? Supreme Family Garden here. And today, guys, I'm going to show you this island that I made for my wife. Okay, now this is a queen palm tree, and along the bottom what we have here is some dragon's breath. Look at the colors in this, guys. This is to all my flower lovers, my plant lovers. My right-hand man over in UK, he knows what I'm talking about. He promised me when he comes to Florida, he's gonna give me a shout. Isn't that right, Lie? Okay, now right here again, this is dragon's breath, and these are crotons. Pay no never mind of these. These are weeds that I haven't pulled this week. Been too hot. Okay. And what we're actually gonna do, but we put it somewhere else, we're gonna put another dragon's breath on the back side of this tree, just to add a little color to your home. Guys, these are simple, inexpensive ideas just to add a little bit of flavor, a little bit of style, whatever you guys wanna call it, okay? Just to your landscape. And right over here, pardon me, honey, I'm walking in front of the camera, is just a solar rock, all right? That shines and keeps this illuminated. It stays on probably to about 12, 1 o'clock at night. And we have this on most of the islands out here, but again, we ran out of some plants because we had a lot that we actually did. But again, guys, this is just something quick, simple, just to give your wife something, because you know a lot of us like buying our fruit trees, but then they think we forget about them. So there you have it, just a quick idea. Again, that's going to be your croton, dragon's breath, and a solar light and mulch. Okay, and again, these plants I'm not really familiar with, so I kind of keep it simple on the fertilization of these guys, and I use fish emulsion, which is a 511, okay, just to add a little zing to the plants. Because if you actually can look and see how nice and lush my crotons are, there's looking crotons on the street. And guys, at night, when this light, if it's a real sunny day, when this light actually hits this particular tree, this dragon breath, if you can see here how it already looks like it wants to get like fire. I saw this tree, honey, and I had to buy this. Look at that. That is a kick butt tree. I'm not even a flower guy, but I like this one. These and crotons, I can do. And guys, dragon's breath, crotons, 511, your best fertilizer for these guys that I use.